Thinking about selling your home in Sarnia? What if we told you AI could help you sell faster and for more? At Blue Coast Realty, we're proud to be your go-to experts for buying and selling in Sarnia Lambton area. Our team combines local insights with personalized service to help you navigate the ever-changing Sarnia real estate market. Technology is reshaping how homes are sold, and artificial intelligence is leading the way. In today's fast-paced world, tools which are powered by AI can now analyze Sarnia Lambton housing market. They can predict pricing trends and even target the right buyers online. If you're selling a home in Canada, AI helps you price smarter based on real-time data from Ontario Homes. No more guessing. It also improves your listing's visibility by creating more targeted marketing that reaches the right home buyers faster. Plus, AI tools can streamline communication, handle showing requests, and even provide insights into what buyers in Ontario housing market are looking for today. So whether you're buying a home in Sarnia or looking to sell with confidence, don't do it alone. For tailored advice and latest market insights, reach out to Blue Coast Realty today. Let's sell smarter together.